Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you Startime customer care number of Ivory Coast. So if you want an Ivory Coast and you want to actually contact them for activation, or you are having some difficulties on your decoder and you like to contact Startime customer care service for their help, all you have to do is to pick up your remote. They will not be on your screen, but they can change it from time to time, so you need to check the current number. All you have to do is to pick up your remote. You press on the M button, which is the menu button on your remote. It's going to take you to the menu. You press on it. So on this page you have the channel list on the right side and then the menu on the left side. So you use the arrow left key and then you shift it to the other side and use the arrow top and down key, look through the list and then put it on self-service and you press OK on it. So on the self-service page you come down to the last option, which is contact us, and then you press OK to proceed. So on this page, as you can see, you have some listed numbers over here with a country flag attached to it. So you search through the list and you pick up the Ivory Coast customer care number, which is 8606022026060 over there. So the number will be highlighted on your screen, but if they have changed it, whenever you check here, you're gonna confirm the right number to call. So that's it. You call them for activation and then make sure that you have enough airtime before calling them for help. They're gonna deduct at a normal calling rate. If you find this video helpful, when you're new here, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, you share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.